Okay, here I am at the Waterfall in Nice, France. It's about 12 o'clock local time. Friday, March the 7th, 2025. Bonjour, mes amis. Bonjour. It's about sunny 62. Very low humidity. I hope y'all enjoyed that snow in Indiana and wherever you are. There's Phil. I can see why they come down here for the cold. It's get the cold from Paris and London and northern countries. Okay. I can see why it's on my live chat now. They can see and hear everything. Okay, I'm going to walk down now. We're going to walk down. Knowing us, we're probably going to search for some food now. And I have a GoPro around my neck, taping. And I have my Facebook channel open. There's Bill. There's me. Bonjour. There he goes. What did you do with your hands? De cheval. De cheval. Du cheval. 2 horses. Believe it or not, that terrible University French has come in handy here. I ain't going up there. You can go up there if you want to. I'll be right down here. I went in the water. That's enough. Nice, France. You know, such as we are, we'll be going toward to getting something to eat. Of course we are. We're always hungry. Nous avons faim. We are hungry. Beautiful city. My guess is it's 12 p.m. here. It's about 6 a.m. there. I see toilets and snacks and people, and they got a little trolley. It's not for someone who cannot stand stairs. It's slippery. I'm glad I got that neck thing for Christmas for Trina, because you can't handle a selfie stick and carry a GoPro at the same time now. Okay, I'm going to finish this up now here in Nice, France. It's about 12:15 local time in Nice, about 6:15 des États-Unis time, American time. A bientôt. See you soon.